Hi guys. I just installed a new recorder on my computer that I think is pretty cool because now you guys can see my face while I'm recording what I'm doing. I want you guys to take a look at Monday, day 4. If anybody's having trouble getting to Newsela, I want to help you. So I open up the one that says Newsela Famous Women and I click right here at Newsela Sign In. And it takes me to Google, Microsoft, or Clever. Clever is what we use through school, so remember you guys should have signed in through I Am first thing this morning. If you didn't, it'll make you sign in. So let's see what it does to me because I didn't sign in this morning. So Clever. And then I have to do login with NC Ed Cloud. And I didn't log in, so here I go. Take me there. All right, so here I am. So I click right there on the big N, Newsela. Okay, so then it takes me to famous first women in history. And if you are lucky, like me, you have a wonderful teacher who's given you questions to help you through it. So the first thing you guys would do would be to click here at your activities and open up your quiz and read your questions. I'm not going to do that because my questions automatically pop up with the answers. So I'm not going to read your questions to you, but I've already read them. And so I'm going to go through here and I'm going to start by just previewing my text. First women in history, and I've got a picture of the swearing in of Madeleine Albright as the first female Secretary of State of the United States. And so here we go. American women's history has been full of leaders. Women who have worked hard for the right to be treated equally. Women have advanced in fields of science, politics, sports, literature, and art. Here are a few examples of what they've done. So this whole article is examples of what they've done. And you are going to see when you get to the end of this paragraph, you're going to read my annotation. Why did these people meet together? What were they trying to make happen? Okay, I want you guys to pay attention to this word right here, convention. Convention is a gathering of people where they start talking about something that's important to them. Okay, so pay attention to that word convention. Read this and answer my question and post it here. Then you're going to keep on reading. You're going to read about Wyoming. You're going to read about Morgan, first female student at a school of the arts in California. Then you're going to read about Wharton, first female, look at this word, Pulitzer Prize winner. Okay, and I've got another annotation right here at the end of this paragraph. The Pulitzer Prize is a word for books, who was the first woman to win one of these. What book did she write? And you guys are going to tell me that. Then you're going to go on down and read this section. Then Amelia Earhart, that's what you're going to read about next. And I have an annotation. And it said, how did Amelia Earhart's flight end? And you're going to answer it from this text. Then you're going to read this one, then this one, then this one. Keep reading, little babies. Keep reading all the way down. And then you'll get to the end and you'll see my last annotation. When you get to the end, you'll read, roles means jobs. These are the jobs that Hillary Clinton had before she ran for president. List them. I want you guys to make a list for me. Once you've done all of those 4 questions I've annotated, you'll click on activities and then you'll click on quiz. Okay, so now you guys should be good to go with that. Thank you. I'll see you guys later.